Do you have too much time?
Hell yeah!
Do you have a kayak?
And it's orange.
Do you not have the supervision of a responsible adult?
Well, neither did we.
So this is what you do on an average Wednesday evening. I should not be on stream this speech. You really shouldn't. Come on, let's go. There you go. Has everybody got their ID badge?
No.
Let's go.
Where? Where are you going with it?
Down the stairs.
Why?
Because we're bored.
Is this going on Facebook?
Yeah.
Oh god. And you're not even drunk either.
Nowhere in the rules does it say we can't go down the stairs in the boat.
I've got my ID badge. I should swipe you out. You don't have to swipe somebody out.
I gave up alcohol. My name is Rick Wilson, and this is Urban Kayaking at Carter.